नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस स्टैंडिंग योगा सीक्वेंस फॉर बिगिनर्स। आज हम बिना फ्लोर पर बैठे सिर्फ खड़े होकर पूरा बॉडी स्ट्रेच, स्ट्रेंथन और रिलैक्स करेंगे। इफ़ यू वर्क ऑन अ डेस्क, फील स्टिफ और आर अ कंप्लीट बिगिनर, दिस रूटीन इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर यू। लेट्स बिगिन। सीधे खड़े हो जाओ, हैंड्स बाय योर साइड्स, फीट हिप विड्थ अपार्ट। Take 3 deep inhalations. Inhale through your nose and slowly exhale it through your nose. Continue for another 2 breaths. Now place your hands on your waist. Inhale, slowly raise your head up. Exhale, touch your chin to your collarbone. Inhale, up. Exhale, touch your chin to your collarbone. Last one, inhale, up. Exhale, touch your chin to your collarbone. Inhale, come to center now, and you will slowly drop your head towards your right shoulder. Inhale in the center and then exhale towards the left side. Continue for another 2 rounds towards the right. Inhale in the center, exhale towards your left side. Now place your hands on your shoulders and start rotating them. Now reverse the direction. If you were moving forward, then you can go backward. If you were going backward, then you can move forward. Just try to go slow. Now inhale, raise your arms up, interlock your fingers and stretch towards your right side. You can stay there for 2 to 3 breaths. Inhale, come to center and exhale towards the left side. Inhale, come to center, keep your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Right arm पीछे होगा और left arm आगे रहेगा. Don't pull or force the twist. Continue towards the left side. Left side में आपका left arm पीछे होगा और right arm आगे. Arms एक straight line में होंगे and shoulders relaxed. You can do this movement 3 to 4 times on both sides. And then come to center. अब हैंड्स वेस्ट पर रख लीजिए. बिग सर्कल्स क्लॉकवाइज with your waist. And now anti-clockwise, slowly. Now keep your feet together या hip width apart. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, you will bend your knees. Hips back जैसे imaginary chair पर बैठ रहे हो. Spine long, chest forward and neck neutral. 3 to 4 breaths here. Now inhale here and exhale, slowly fold forward. Hips से hinge करेंगे. Arms drop, head heavy and keep your neck free. Now place your palms on your mat. Spine को सीधा और long बनाओ. Chest slightly forward, shoulders away from ears and look forward. Back एक flat table जैसी feel होनी चाहिए. Exhale, again forward fold. Now inhale, slowly raise your arms up, raise your body up. Exhale, hands by the side. Now we will do standing cat and cow. तो आप अपने हाथ अपने thighs पे या अपनी waist पे रख सकते हो. Inhale, raise your head up, hips back, your back arches. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, round your spine and chin to your chest. Inhale up, exhale, chin to your chest. Continue flowing for 3 to 4 rounds. Now come up, take your right foot far back and the right foot will be at 90 degrees. Left foot आपका straight आगे की तरफ रहेगा. Extend your arms in line with your legs. Inhale there and while exhaling, you will bend your left knee and you will stay there for 3 to 4 breaths. From Warrior 2, you will slowly lean down. अपनी waist से आप bend करोगे. Hips को back जाने दो. आप अपना हाथ कहीं पे भी knees पे रख सकते हो, अपनी shin पे रख सकते हो, whatever feels comfortable. त्रिकोणासना. Stay here. It's not necessary कि आपको अपना हाथ ground तक लेके जाना है. Now bend towards the other side. Your right knee will be bent. For Warrior 2, left foot will be at 90 degrees and gaze towards the right side. Your palms will be looking towards the mat. Same, you will exhale. Right side की तरफ lean करोगे. Make sure your chest is open and if possible look towards the upper hand. Inhale, slowly come up. Using heel toe, you will slowly reduce the distance and join your feet. अब अपना weight left leg पर डाल दीजिए. Right foot calf या inner thigh पर place करो. आप wall की help भी ले सकते हो. हैंड्स हार्ट पर या आर्म्स ओवरहेड भी लेके जा सकते हो. अगर बैलेंस स्वे करे तो ब्रीथ करें. डोंट फोर्स. आप एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे देख सकते हो जो मूव नहीं कर रहा हो. दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू टू बैलेंस. Inhale and slowly release the pose while exhaling. Now let's repeat the same on the left leg. Left foot will be placed on your inner thigh या फिर आपके calf पर and you will stay here focusing on one single point. Continue breathing and slowly release it. Now hips width per stand. Now right heel forward, left leg little bit bent. You can place your hands on your left thigh. Hips से hinge करेंगे and toes up. This will be your hamstring stretch. Keep your neck relaxed. Down and up. Again toes up and let's repeat this on the left side. Now left foot will be placed forward. Right knee little bit bent, toes up and release the pose. Again toes up and release. Last one, toes up and release. Now extend your hands in front of you, palms facing towards each other. We are going for Kati Chakrasana. So while twisting, you will wrap your right arm around your back. Left hand will be placed on your right shoulder and you will twist back. You can stay here for 2 to 3 breaths. Inhale, come to center and similarly twist towards the left side. Left arm will be wrapped around your back. The right hand will be placed on your left shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Now join your hands at the heart center. Again, take few deep breaths here. Inhale calm energy and exhale. Just release all the tensions and the worries. And let's finish our practice by chanting Om. Thank you so much for practicing with me. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Hari Om.